You can create your ML modeler. Okay, sorry. Maybe models, we have a different models, we have DeepSeek model. We can everything. This is the one of the Hugging Face is one of the thing which we are going to use heavily in the classes also to create the AI agents and everything. We are going to use this, right? Search charts, ML modeler. Hmm. Okay, new chart or anything you can use, right? I want to let's say what is an okay. Let's write down this. What is an appropriate model to use or I mean model to use to solve a problem of where I am trying to detect fraud, detect fraud transactions, right? But come, but let's something, but my company did not bother to label the transaction at all. See, so it has given the algorithm. See, these are the different algorithm. So automatically it is giving the algorithm. See, it is saying that since you don't have a label data, you need to use unsupervised learning algorithm or approach to identify a classic problem in the field of anomaly detection. So if I ask you the same question to ChatGPT, what it does, let's understand first this. Since you don't have a label data, I mean, it is one of the problem which we are using in the machine learning area. So one of the local outlier factor, one classic SVM, isolated forest. These are the different machine learning algorithm, autoencoders. So this autoencoder is one of the prerequisite concept for the LLM models. Can means algorithm, graph-based methods, right? And to get once you're done, pre-process your data, clean, normalize your transaction data, perform the feature engineering, right? Choose a model, select one or more model from the list of above, implement using the popular libraries, TensorFlow, PyTorch, evaluate the models. Keep in unsupervised approach may not be accurate as supervised methods. So, so this is how it is given this, right? So same question if I ask you, if I same question if I ask you in ChatGPT, see, it has not given the better results. It has given some other results. So it has given the different results. So for this, if you want to understand machine learning models and all, the Hugging chart is a better model or a better thing as compared to the other one. Hence, hence, for if you want to build your own models or everything, we are going the models here. We have a different models, Llama models, right? Coherent models, NVIDIA Llama models, right? 70 billion models we have to train 22 billion records. So, so if I go Google Gemini, so if I take this, right, these are the large number measuring 6 liters, right? How to utilize this, right? How to get the API of this to access this data, right? 253 billions of available. Try it out. So of course, free version you cannot able to see anything. For the post version, you you can get the everything. See here, ML model. Yeah, I told you right. ML model picker. So what should I do use for my project? It's a better thing. These are the much better results, Right? If I ask the same question here, see, see, ML model picker, one of the, I go bit depth compared to the earlier chart. Now I bit depth, bit depth. So it has ML model, all the things which are related to ML model. It is given the in detail about the process, what to do, right? See, it is asking us how much data do you have, right? What kind of features or columns available? Are there any domain specific constraint? What are the acceptable levels of false positive and false negative? Don't ask me what is mean by false positive and false negative. Right. Some of the top models are like here the five top recommendation models are being used for the fraud models. Right. Mm, I would like to let me ask another question. Mm, okay, I want to predict COVID cases. Right. Which algorithm is best suitable? Let's say. So you want to understand, want to predict what type of data you have available. So one of the algorithm called Facebook generate profit to predict this. Another model is these are the some of the time series, right? This is the one of the model in the ML model picker, right? This is the location. You can try the location, right? All these things. Now you can also get GPT-5, right? Yeah, there are different models, trending one, popular one libraries. So website designer, right? Can you create, right? Can you create landing page? Create a landing page for KSR data vision. Just see. See. I mean, what it does basically. I mean, as we are giving the paid service, right? I mean, we're not using the paid service, right? It doesn't, right? It's giving everything what to do, how to test and everything. See here. In HTML, it is creating everything. Just need to copy this output. Right. You need to just copy the output, just you need to give the images and all. At least you should have some basic idea. Then you can able to do very easily. So majority of the people is one of my favorite built-in tool. This is Hugging Chat or Hugging Face, which is really, really useful for us in the real world. Right? These are the APIs which we can use in real world also. How to use this APIs with the help of code, I can show you next time. It's just still generating, guys. Still generating. Entire code is generating. Right. Right. Understood, guys. Are able to follow me? Is it interesting or boring? Is it interesting or boring?
Yes, sir, it's interesting.
It's kind of overwhelming, sir. Just started, right? So seeing so many things.
Yeah. So just want to show you. I mean,
Mm.
don't mind that we are not going to just. I'm going to just show you the hub. No, on top of it, just like that. Just giving a flavor. Just want to show you how it will be used in real world.
Okay.
Yeah. But we'll cover in detail about this. How you log into the Hugging chart, how to use Hugging chart, how to send the prompt, what are the basic prompt, how to send the advanced prompt. All the details will be covered in our daily class.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. But in the first class itself, I could not able to cover all the details, right?
Yeah.
See here, right? Still, it is taking some time to generate a lot of data. You just need to copy the data. Just need to copy the data, website data automatically. You can build in fraction of minutes. You can build the website also, landing page and everything. Just it is generating. Let it be. Let it generate what will give the final output. Let's see. All right. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. So still generating. Right. So let me, let's see. I want to show you. I want you guys. So a landing page, you'll see to see the copy code button on the code block above and paste it in. So this is the what you can paste in the right. So it is asking to paste the entire code. See here. It's the copy. Right. Let's see what is happening here. Let's say we copied all these things. See here. Business analytics. This is how it will give. We have not given anything, right? Of course, we need to pay the amount. It will free of cost. They won't give, right? Right. That's how it will work. Right. You can choose the best methods. You can choose the different methods and all the things. Right. You can execute this code or everything. But you can. At free of cost, you cannot able to get everything, right? So that is the reason I want to. Right. That's how it works. So not only this, in the assistant, if you go to the assistant, there are the multiple things trending one. These are the trending one. Chat GPT, right? You can create your own Chat GPT also. This is a free of cost. You can do 30 plus users are who is KSR in KSR data vision. Let's say I'm asking some question. See, it is refreshing. Right. Maybe it is not the correct answer. Right. That's right. Maybe it is not correct answer. So it given the K means Krish, S means Suresh, R means Rav it is given. It is not the correct answer. Right. Right. Maybe this may not work perfectly everything, but if you want to create your own community or your own model also, we can able to does. So for example, if you go to the NVIDIA models, right? If you go to the Meta Llama models, so these are the models which you can use for image generators, right? Professional GPT, right? Right, everything you can use this. Majority of the people they say that we are using our own libraries or anything. From here, people will pick relevant topic and then they can build on top of it. If you want to build your own application, also people will use Hugging Chat as a basic component. Right, even Microsoft P4, right, Gen prompt, right, everything can be done using the model picker. So Hugging Chat. This is another example required. So yeah,
Can we create a custom chatbots in Hugging Chat?
yeah, you can. You can. That is what we are going to learn in the course.
Okay, thank you.
That is what we are going to learn in this course.